Right. Have you ever wondered how the investors on Shark Tank can look at all these companies and make a smart decision if they should put money into them or not? Well, this is a tool that can help you make smart decisions about private investments. And the reason that this is so helpful for you right now is because many people are looking at private investments as alternatives to the stock market. You're seeing a lot of media headlines about the potential for stock market crash and for a pullback, and especially as we get into the election. But you may want to put your money somewhere else, but you might not know how to evaluate if that's a great deal or not. And so this is a resource you can use in order to understand if you should move forward with a conversation about an investment opportunity. On the outside of this diagram is a square, and that square has four corners, which represent the key stakeholders, the people involved in a business to make it successful. So those are going to include folks like the founder, like the team, like your strategic partners, and then also like outside investors. And each of these people are going to bring something different to the business as a whole, but it might give you an opportunity to understand what makes this company good or what makes it a liability. Inside of that square is a diamond, and this diamond represents more of the strategy behind the business itself. So the first thing that you'll have is the customer value proposition. Why is this a great deal for customers, and what does it do for them? Next is your go-to-market strategy. Has the business already been operating in the market? And if so, what have the results been? What is the overall strategy for the business? How are they going to entice new customers? Next, you're going to have your technology and operations. So you want to understand what the business is run by, what the infrastructure looks like, where it's located, who is in charge of it, how it's structured as a business entity, things like that. And then you also want to look at the cash flow formula. Effectively, we're concerned with what the revenue is, what the cost of goods sold are, and then what the profit margin is. So if you can look at all of those components, then you can get a better idea of if an investment opportunity is worth pursuing and going a little bit further in. And a really easy way to do this is to simply give a score from 1 to 10 on each of these areas, and then to look at the sum total and see, okay, is this worth reviewing or not? This is really helpful for me as I'm looking through private investments that clients will bring me. And I'll just say, okay, do we have enough information here, here, and here? And if not, then that's what we need to go back and get before we'll even look at the deal. So I want you to take a look at this. And if you have questions, let me know. I'll leave a link so that you can download it as well. Thanks for checking this out, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.